Hidden heaven on earth. Bosnia and Herzegovina is the most underrated country in Europe. Its picturesque scenic towns and villages and serene turquoise waters steal your heart. The country was under the Ottoman rule between 1463 to 1908, which vastly makes up the Muslim culture and which is one of the reasons of the rich Islamic architecture and Turkish-inspired culture, which can be seen and felt throughout. It is one of the richest countries in history, culture, beauty, food and hospitality. Welcome to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Welcome to Bosnia. Welcome to Sarajevo. Assalamu alaikum guys. We are in Sarajevo now, right? And as you can see around, say hello, Jav. Okay, I'm going to point here, which says East and West, Sarajevo Meeting of Cultures. What it is because on this side, if you see, that is the old city, which is the Ottoman Sarajevo. And as you move around, that is the western side, which was?
Austro-Hungarian.
Yes, Austro-Hungarian, because when you look at the buildings and the streets and everything is totally different than that side. So we are just entering the Ottoman side of Sarajevo and we'll just look around what it is. Very similar structure to from everywhere else. There's a little bazaar in there which we will visit shortly. And वही खाने पीने की दुकानें, सारा कुछ, the Turkish jewelry. And we're going to look for a place, nice place to sit and eat. I'm going to eat their traditional javabi, they call it. And maybe it's burak as well. That's their traditional foods, but it's very similar to the Turkish one. So yes, there's some leather shops. I'm sure it's just like Istanbul, this place is. Actually, people do call it mini Istanbul as well. Proper Turk style. You know, while we were traveling to Sarajevo from Mostar, you go past little villages, little towns, and you will see mosques everywhere. Oh, I like this jewelry shop. I'm sure my sister will like it too, because she was asking me a few days ago about these kind of jewelries. And that is the mosque. Musej Gazi Husrev Bey. Yeah, that is one of the most popular ones in the 15th century. So we'll be visiting that soon. If not today, it will be tomorrow. And that is the mosque. Jewelries again, souvenirs, t-shirts. And the fake handbags. We did see these kinds in Mostar as well. There is that Turkish style ice cream, dondram. But he should be wearing that red cap. Oh, choti si mai. Jwede kolo tissue खरीद लो एक. Yeah. Let's buy tissues. Okay. And then there are Turkish delight shop, falafel, jewelry again. You know, it's 3 o'clock, 2:45, and the weather is very nice. It's very mild today. It doesn't seem very hot. So yes, it is nice. That is nice. अच्छा, ये बोस्निया की population है 55% is Muslim, 30% is Roman Catholics, and 10 to 15% is Roman Catholics. and the rest are the minorities. They have about like 1% Jews maybe, and but the country, it doesn't have an official religion. So, but they all are like blended into each other. They're quite, you can't really much tell. I think the Muslim people which you could recognize are probably travelers which are just visiting. Here is a restaurant we're gonna eat in. So here is our food. It's called jawabe. That's a traditional Balkan kebab. It comes with the roti and some onions. I've seen some videos, people get yogurt with it. But you know what? Even though it's nothing with that, because we've already had it in Mostar, and I think it's perfectly tasty. It's not even dry or anything. You don't even need a sauce with that. That's how good it is. What do you think? Is the same as what we had in Mostar? And these are made out of beef. It's not lamb gut. So if you don't eat beef, you can't enjoy this. Jav, there's the milk cake. I want the milk cake. हाँ जी, ये आइसक्रीम खाएंगे. मुझे चाहिए Terralische, the Turkish milk cake. There it is. Are all the Turkish sweets. And they have baklava and dahan halwa that is made out of sesame seeds, and I love that. The first time I ever had that was in Syria. And there are baklavas also. Yummy, yummy. Can't wait. That's a beautiful little alleyway, and there are sitting areas here. Here is my cake. And that is so nice. And you know, it's very cheap. It's £1 a slice. I can have as many as I like in a day. Now we've reached this place. It seems like one of the main square type places in the old city. There's a special name for this area. What is it called? With B? And that is one of the main attractions, or it's not attraction, landmark. Yeah, there's fresh fruit, figs. Oh, they look like Pakistani mangoes. Where are they from? International quality. Pakistan का आम मिला है मुझे. Royal fruit, authentic quality. I never thought Pakistan का आम इधर भी मिलेगा आपको. Dobra, ko dobar dan. It's there. ये main road आ गई है. I think this is the main starting point of the old city probably. We came from the other side. एक और मस्जिद है. And the population of the whole country is no more than 3.5 million. And out of that 3.5, जो 2 million लोग हैं वो सराइवो में रहते हैं. No wonder it's very busy. But ट्राम है. और इनकी ट्राम इसी बिल्डिंग की पिछली साइड पे जो रोड है ना, उस पे भी ट्राम थी. I'm not quite sure. There's one of the churches in Bosnia. ये लाइन की दूसरी तरफ अब हम आ गए. We've just got out of the old city. Or this road is reminding me of the road in Istanbul, in Taksim Square, the Istiklal Street. Yes, it's not as busy as that, but it's very similar to it. हो सकता है शाम में ज़्यादा बिजी हो, क्योंकि जो बहुत गर्म मुल्क होते हैं वहाँ पे दोपहर में सब आराम कर रहे होते हैं. कई जगह ऐसी भी हैं जो दोपहर में बंद होती हैं. ईरान का सफारत खाना. 10 minutes later we are still walking and we are just about to reach our hotel. अभी ये थोड़ा different type का area आ गया अगर आप देख सकते हैं. छोटा सा होटल है, छोटा सा कमरा, nice है, it's very cheap, nothing expensive because it's could be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you, bye.